Hello everyone. A common pitfall for new AI users is treating Copilot like a standard search engine. They type a query, get an answer, and then allow that valuable query to simply disappear into their chat history, never to be seen again. This approach overlooks the true nature and potential of generative AI. When you invest time crafting a highly effective, multi-layered prompt, one that perfectly balances elements like the goal, context, source, and format, you've essentially written a valuable piece of microcode. It's not just a question, it's a targeted instructional asset designed to yield a specific business result. Losing that asset after a single use is highly inefficient and diminishes the overall return on investment from your AI interactions. To truly elevate your productivity within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, you must recognize the enduring value of these carefully constructed prompts. Saving a prompt in Microsoft 365 Copilot is a straightforward yet immensely powerful process designed to elevate your productivity. You don't need to resort to inefficient methods like copying and pasting successful prompts into a separate notepad file. Instead, Copilot offers built-in prompt management features. After you execute a prompt and receive a highly satisfactory result, you'll typically find an option within the Copilot chat interface to save it. This is usually located near the input box or within the prompt history menu, often represented by a save icon, such as a bookmark or disk symbol. Clicking this icon securely adds the exact wording of your successful query to your personal library within your Microsoft 365 profile. This action ensures that your meticulously crafted prompts are preserved and easily accessible for future use, eliminating the need to re-engineer them repeatedly. The true power of saving prompts extends far beyond simple preservation. It lies in organization and retrieval. As you integrate Copilot into your daily workflows, your personal library of saved prompts will naturally grow. Imagine having a dedicated prompt for drafting client apology emails, another specifically tailored for extracting action items from dense meeting transcripts, and perhaps one designed for summarizing complex legal PDFs. By organizing these saved prompts, you transform Copilot from a blank canvas, requiring you to start from scratch every time, into a personalized dashboard of automated workflows. This structured approach allows you to categorize and easily locate the exact prompt you need for any given task, significantly boosting your efficiency and consistency across various responsibilities. It ensures that your valuable prompt engineering efforts are always at your fingertips. The benefits of an organized prompt library are immediately evident. The next time you encounter a repetitive task, instead of struggling to recall or retype complex instructions, you simply open your prompt library. From there, you select the pre-tested, highly effective query that's perfectly suited for the job. You might only need to make minor adjustments, such as updating a file reference from Q2 to Q3, and then you can execute the prompt with confidence. This drastically reduces redundant typing, saving you precious time and mental effort. More importantly, it completely eliminates the prompt engineering friction, the mental overhead and time spent crafting prompts that often slows down daily efficiency. This frictionless workflow empowers you to leverage AI consistently and effortlessly, allowing you to focus on higher value tasks rather than repetitive instruction sets. For those preparing for the AB-730 exam, it's crucial to understand the primary purpose of saving a prompt. The exam emphasizes that saving a prompt is fundamentally about creating an easily accessible, organized library specifically for repetitive tasks. It's the core mechanism designed to reduce redundant work and to standardize the outputs generated by AI. This isn't just about convenience, it's about efficiency, consistency, and scalability in leveraging Copilot within a business context. Remember, the ability to quickly retrieve and reuse a meticulously crafted prompt for recurring activities is a key competency for any AI business professional. This ensures that your valuable prompt engineering efforts have a lasting impact, streamlining your workflows and guaranteeing reliable, high-quality AI-generated content over time. Beyond simply saving prompts for personal convenience, the concept of managing prompts extends to treating them as shared intellectual property within a mature, AI-driven organization. If you've engineered a prompt that perfectly structures, for instance, a weekly departmental update, sharing that exact prompt text with your colleagues is invaluable. It ensures that the entire department produces consistent, high-quality deliverables, maintaining a uniform tone, format, and level of detail across all outputs. While the specific user interface for sharing prompts continues to evolve within Microsoft 365, often involving features like Copilot Lab or dedicated organizational prompt libraries, the fundamental business value remains constant. It's about scaling individual productivity gains across the entire team. This collaborative approach fosters a culture of shared best practices and collective efficiency, transforming individual successes into organizational advantages. Finally, for advanced users, managing prompts reaches its ultimate potential with automated scheduling. While not all versions of Copilot currently support automated scheduling directly within the chat interface, integrating saved prompts with Microsoft Power Automate represents a crucial next step. By connecting a carefully crafted and saved Copilot prompt to a scheduled flow in Power Automate, you can literally automate the execution of the AI itself. Imagine scheduling your weekly status report prompt to run every Friday at 3 p.m. Power Automate can instruct Copilot to pull the latest data, draft the report, and even prepare it as an email, requiring only your final human review before sending. This level of automation transforms Copilot from an interactive tool into a powerful background workflow engine, working for you on a predictable cadence.